Hello everyone, and this video we're going to talk about the local variables and the global variables. This video is really going to be the short one, but the important one. You would know the difference between the global variable and the local variable. So what is a global variable by definition? What is a local variable? A global variable is a variable that can be accessed anywhere in your program. Okay, and in the local variable it can be accessed only in its where it is defined. For example, if we define a variable within a function, so it can only be accessed within a function. Alright, so this is the idea of global variable and the local variable. So let me just write the variable here.
Value. Okay, we'll like to name it global value. Alright,
I want to assign a 10 here. Alright, and let me just define a function here.
okay. Alright, so
Okay, now I want to define a variable here. Alright, and its value is pretty much 20. Return. Alright, print local variable, print global variable. Okay, alright, display variables. Alright, now you can see here that our global variable can be accessed within a function. So if I just write here the local variable, okay, the local variable can only be accessed where it is defined. If it is defined in a function, so it can only be accessed within that function, but outside that functions we cannot access that local variable. So you can see that we cannot access this local variable. It would be giving me the error. So you can see that the local variable is not defined. Okay, the error comes on the line 12. So this is the line 12, and this is our error that the local variable is not defined, because it is a local variable which was defined in our function, so it cannot be accessed outside that function. But you know, the global variable can be accessed anywhere. Alright, now you can see that the local variable is 20 and the global variable is 10. And as I already told you, global can be accessed everywhere, but local will only be accessed within that function. Okay, one more thing which I want to inform you here, that whatever you do the modification in the global variable here will not affect its value outside of that function. Alright, so if I just want to add 50, alright, 50 here,
and let me just print out global variable here. Alright,
okay, the value of the global variable within the function is 60 because we have modified its value, and but outside the function it does have the same value which we defined earlier. Alright, so this is what I wanted to tell you, that whatever you do modification in the function with the global variables, okay, they are not affected globally, or you can say they are not affected outside that function. Alright, so this was all for this video. If you really find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.